Okay guys, I'm making you a video to help you learn day one of solving systems by substitution. Okay, so now we have been covering solving systems for 2 weeks. Okay, and you know already that the end result, right, what you're trying to come up with is an ordered pair. Okay, so if you look at number one, I've already given you part of this ordered pair, right? I've given you like half the answer already. All right, so to get the other part, I just have to plug in, and I have to make sure that I plug it in the correct spot. Okay, so for number one, since that y value is -10, my equation is going to look like this. -10 equals -4x minus 14. Okay, now I just have to solve this equation, and I should end up with x. So I'm going to add 14 to both sides. So I have 4 equals -4x. And when I divide by -4, I get this answer, which is -1. So here is my ordered pair. Okay, so let's take a look at number two. Again, your end goal when you are solving systems is an ordered pair, and I've given you half of it already. Okay, so now, and you've done this before. You have plugged numbers in before. I'm going to take that x equals 1 and put it right there. So y is equal to 6 times 1 minus 18. Y equals 6 minus 18. And again, use your calculator if you have to. That's -12. -12. Okay, so scooting this up again. I only have 4 examples because it's really, really easy. Okay, make sure you're writing this down. The sub is going to check and make sure that you have written it down. All right, so for number 3, again, I have one of the answers already given. This happens to be a y value. So if I put a 0 right there, 0 is going to equal x plus 5. So to solve for x, we subtract 5 from both sides. So x equals -5. Okay, so there is the ordered pair. Again, every answer is going to be an ordered pair. All right, and then lastly, if you take a look at number 4, since I'm trying to come up with an ordered pair, I know my x value is already 3, so I'm going to plug that in. All right, again, the hardest part here is making sure you're plugging it in the right spot. So this is going to be y equals -2 times 3 plus 6. Y is going to equal -6 plus 6. Oh, check it out. Y is going to equal 0. All right, so that's day one of solving by substitution. All right, I will be back tomorrow. See you then. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me.